Sanibonani guys, uzodwa wabantu. Guys, kumuntu wabantu, ngithanda abantu abafana nami. I'll never change. So yes, I do have celebrity friends, but I love them more behind closed doors, over dinner, lunch, no phones, no celebrities as friends, since I'm a celebrity with my friends. Then bangmeme Jesus Christ, bangmeme to exclusive parties, this and that. But nangicabanga, like, as Untando would always invite me, Untando Duma, then ngithi mnganami kufanele ngiyothenga isicathulo esisha, ngithi mnganami kufanele ngiyothenga irogo elisha, ngithi mnganami kufanele ngiyenze inwele ezintsha. Yo mnganami, will I be comfortable futhi in that environment ukuthi ngizokwazi ukudunusa? You know, then she will laugh, ngithi ay mnganami, I don't think I can be there because you know the kind of person that I am, you know. Okay, fine. Then there are these friends abangekho famous that I'm happy to be with because I'm just me. Singaphuza ingudu, singadikota, noma singenza nje 18, you know. I'm more like those unknown people, you know. I'm famous, but ngithanda ukuba with unknown people, but baba aggressive with we wanna sit in the VIP. I don't wanna sit in the VIP. I'm VIP. I'm always VIP, you know. Then there are places where I would say I wanna sit in the general, like ebantwini. Then you feel like ukuthi they want your money, like they're mistreating you because you wanna sit in the general, as in the public, you know, because bona they want you to sit where they know they're going to make money off you, you know. Guys, if VIP, I only shit in VIP and pee in VIP. Come with VIP, kaka with VIP, because I can't stand lines. Like, even if it's a chisanyama or a clap, yes, lapo only when I see a line, ngaya pezulu, as in the VIP area. But I have to sit, drink like a VIP, eat like a VIP. I am a VIP. Like in my house, I'm a VIP. In my car seat, I'm a VIP. Anywhere where I position myself, I'm a VIP. So I can there in a club that you feel because I must buy VIP or status. I am status, you know, whatever that you can sell me, but I don't find it nice when I'm out because I want to be free. So I'm not VIP. So then the unknown gang, Baba Dramatic, we don't see your friends, you don't invite us to your friends. Guys, there's a separation of celebrity friends being famous, then there's unknown. Minantana uba unknown as in amakhashasha, this and that, you know. So yeah, if good party or eat dinner, nothing will change guys. I can't. Nothing will change rokelish. I can't. I'm corny, like I'm corny in that space. So I have to be brand new. I'm corny. Mwah.